About to do the $10,000 challenge, right? So whoever can step through this field of cacti here, and then oh shit! Boys, this is your boy AFBG, man. Look, it's your boy Oscar, what's up?
Hi.
And your boy Jen.
What's good, bitch?
So we're out here in the fucking desert now. We're out here in Phoenix, Arizona. And as you can clearly see, we don't know where the fuck we are. But where we headed, I don't know. What we're about to see, we don't know, man.
In and out. We're going in and out.
In and out. We're going
in and out.
In and out. Is that like its theme song or some shit?
No, I don't think so. No.
Oh, it doesn't even matter, bro. But we're gonna go have some burgers. We don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. We'll be here for a few days, so let's see how it goes. We'll see you guys when we get back. All right, let's go. Car shuttle, man. Obviously the first thing we fucking came to do when we came here to Phoenix, down here in the West Coast, we're gonna go in and out, bro. Oh dude, some girl just looking at me. Hey, in and out, guys. Holy shit, it looks just full. I don't know.
It looks full. Up to you, Jen.
I'll try in and out, boys. See how it goes. All right, guys, we gotta be real quiet.
I just dropped the wrapper.
Fuck you. But there's a lot of people here, but we're about to taste my first in and out the burger, guys. So join me on this journey.
They're hot.
Pretty good burger. Last time I'm gonna record. I'm gonna cut it off here, guys. So there. Yeah. How was it, Oscar? Yo, look. Where are we, guys? I don't know. I hear birds and shit. Oh shit. They said they give you directions, bro.
Do a burnout.
Oh, this place is fucking nice. What's up, boys? Okay, the new digs. What happened?
Guys, let's go. Come on.
I'm excited. We're gonna go buy some supplies, guys, and then we're gonna go to the pool. So we'll see how that goes. And my boy Oscar got the surprise for us. So I'll see what he got. So he got, huh? This is pretty nice, though.
Crazy. It's just a hat, but I don't know. I thought this hat was pretty nice.
Gotta close this. It's super hot in here.
Oh, shirts. Hey.
Oh yeah, shirts. Oh, of course.
Shirts.
Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, thank you, my boy Jan. See what it says. See what it says. Ooh, look at that. I don't even catch it on camera here. It says Arizona, California, Nevada, 2021, bro. Holy shit. Thank you, Jan. Thanks so much, bro. That's a bucket head, Oscar. Oh, yeah, shit.
Who you calling dark neck?
Redneck. All right, boys. Damn, bro, what are you doing so fresh?
Bro.
Oh shit.
Schoolboy Q in his prime.
That's my boy, bro. But we'll see you guys later when we get to doing stuff with camera angle. What's up, guys? So we've come back from getting supplies, and yes, I'm going to sort of boy. Is it cold? All right, so I guess.
Why do you have that case on?
Because it's waterproof case. Should I jump in? Should I jump in? Alright, boys, so yeah, we're in the pool now. Tell me.
Tell you what.
How was the day been, guys? First day. Day one almost over. We're not done yet. Oh, it's mostly, bro. It's mostly for you, bro. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it. It's mostly for you, dog.
It's, I mean, a little, just no twist. A little bit of a twist to things, but overall, it's still got an A for me.
Yeah.
Ergometer.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, I thought it was a dog toy. It's like
That's
what?
I thought so too. It looks like
75?
it. Yeah, right?
Yo, what's up, boys? Hello there, UG boy AFBG guys. So we're day 2 out here. What's up, Jen? How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah, my boy Oscar, someone out there. We're about to do some hiking today, and then we're gonna go and do some other shit. It's a surprise. You guys got to wait. So we'll see how it goes. Woo-hoo! Start transition. Where the fuck are we, dude?
I don't know, bro.
No, the fucking desert. Oh. So we're not really sure where we're going, right? But what's up, boys? We're gonna go on the first hike. How you doing? I'm my boy Oski. What's up? Boy Jan. Yo.
So what is this called?
I think it's Tonto National Forest. I think this is right. So yeah, we're not sure. We're gonna go to Plan View of Ruins, Storage Mystery Room, Retaining Well, Courtyard. So there's like these cool ass ruins. We're gonna go see that.
Yeah, the ruins.
And fuck, this is pretty cool. Hawkseye view of shoot. So yeah, it's gonna be fucking exciting. Let's go. You ready, Oscar? Which path is the one we take?
Hit him with it.
So we talked to some of the locals here, and apparently, guys, oh, the old gentlemen are. So apparently, these rocks are the ruins we came here to look for. I mean, I expected a little more building-wise, but like, it makes sense though. It's been like 900 years.
I thought it'd be
A lot of things happen. Someone probably knocked them over too. Who knows? These rocks are ruins we're walking in between. Hopefully, it's okay. Look at that view, boys. Shee. Guys, older boys. Honestly, if you could see everything behind me, like in real life, I don't know. I don't feel like it'd be the same effect, but it's nice. How about you, Jan? Look at my boy with his camera.
So far, so great.
My boy Oscar with his camera.
But it's all good.
Yeah, dude. Holy
I
shit.
see that rock.
Which one? That one? So they call this the mystery room. Look, Jan's sitting in it, bro. He might be mysterious the way, but we all know this was a trap house. We all know that. Yeah, boys, that's all for this trail for today. It's a really short one because we got a lot of stuff to do today. So we're gonna see how that all goes. But yeah, it was fun. Would love to come back another time. But yeah, that's it for now. See you guys in the next one. Well, not the next one, next clip. Also, if you're liking the video so far, you guys gotta like and subscribe. If you don't, I'll break his leg. And if you don't care about his legs, I'll break his leg too. Well, let's go. Alright, boys, so I guess it's time to try Jack in the Box, right? 7-9 popcorn chicken. I think I want that. Holy shit, that's good. This reminds me of ooh, the cheddar biscuit. I want to try that.
Look, you want that spicy sriracha burger?
Oh my god, there's some good food.
Oh,
Yeah, man. These fries remind me of Burger King fries. Right, guys. I'm gonna try some Jack in the Box sandwich. We got the sriracha now, something like that. Look at that.
Hey, where's your burger, Oscar? You want to put it here?
I have it over here, right here. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Go try it. Yo, the sriracha burger is pretty good. Really good, guys. Jeez. What's up, guys? Yo, so this is what we're gonna do today, boys. You guys ready? Y'all ready? Oh, dude. Are you okay, dude?
I don't know if I can do that shit. Man, this shit was aggressive as fuck.
Bro, it's alright. I'll fuck, dude. I can't wait to give it a try. Are we even on the right trail anymore?
Dude, I don't know. I was just driving.
I saw 0.75. I saw 75. But I think that's just the like the mile counter. Holy shit, guys. Yeah, that shit's fun as hell. Hey there, guys. So after we're done, I know, dude, I don't know if you guys see that, but my beard's all white now. We're done off-roading. We stopped by a river for a little bit. What's up, Oscar? We're gonna dip our feet in, see how cold it is. We're in the middle of the desert, so it's actually pretty cold. Oh god. Oh, I didn't realize how cold the freaking water was gonna be. It's like Michigan cold, bro.
Yeah.
Jesus.
And then you just like sink a little as you go in.
Oh shit. My boy Jan. Come on, Dad. Come on in. He's not feeling too good. He doesn't do good in cars.
Oh shit. That's not a regular car we're talking about.
I know, but still, even in a regular car. But yeah, I'll catch you guys back on the road. We're gonna just hang out for a bit, chill, and let's go.
Let's go on that rock.
guys, we're back. So yeah, we still have a lot of trail to go, but yeah, she ain't looking too good. Don't worry, we're all okay, we're all good. It's just fun, but yeah, so we'll see how things go. Let's hope we make it out of the desert. Who knows? How you guys feeling? Yeah, see you guys later. There's a little after. We don't know how long it's gonna take him for to get here with the pickup. Car's still broken. The boys still doing good, but we're about to do the $10,000 challenge. All right. So whoever can step through this field of cacti here, or no, they're not even cacti. What are they called? That doesn't matter. Whoever can step through this first gets $10,000. All right. Who wants to go first? Nobody? All right, boys. So we're about to just go in. All right, not too crazy. Oh shit! Oh, never mind. Yeah, now $10,000 challenge over. Reason COVID. All right, boys. I don't know if you can see it there in the distance, but help is finally on its way. We've been out here for like an hour or two. Middle of the desert, guys. You just seen survival. I had to drink my own piss twice. Man, it was. I had to wipe my butt with cactus. It's right there. Look. Hey, what's up, bro? You know, it's crazy stuff. Honestly, I didn't think I would make it without you guys. So please, if you're liking the video so far, leave a like, subscribe. This is what AFBG is about, guys. Survival of the fittest. Look,